Hello everybody, it's Sub-Zero Gaming here, and part of the Vortex team, and well today, we've got something pretty extraordinary. About it today, let me just get it right here. Mewtwo, Pokemon Evolutions. Thought it'd be something pretty cool to buy and do an unpacking of. So, let's go ahead and open it. Got it open. It's a nice little neat pack here. Let's go ahead and open this. As you might have guessed, Mewtwo. So we got a holographic Mewtwo card. Broke something. Really need to fix that. We got a little Chansey coin. Little. I hate when it does that. But it's got a little something you can play it online. Scratch my knee. Okay, so we got the pack right here. Go ahead and open that up. Nice pack here. We got a whole lot of energy. Trainer card. More energy. Then we got Thnx. We have a Nidoran. Coughing. Energy. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Ghastly. Drowsy. Energy. Nidorino. And it's a male. That's got a Nidoking. Pretty nice to agree. More energy. A Diglett. A trainer card. Machop. More energy. Sandshrew. Machoke. More energy. Mewtwo card. Got a letter from the professor. Then we got a Haunter. Then we got Trainer Potion. Then we got another Nidoran. A Hitmonchan. Nice. Energy. Then we get another Ghastly. Got a Pokeball trainer. Got energy. We got Thnx. Another Thnx. Got another Nidorino. I don't think I need to show you again. Got another Drowsy. More energy. Two more trainer cards. Another Machop. Energy. Nidoran. Trainer. Great Ball. Pretty good. Energy. Another letter from the professor. Machoke. Coughing. More energy. Another trainer card. Ghastly. There's so many Ghastlies here. Then we got another Diglett. It's basically ground, fighting, poison, psychic. Basically what this entire deck is. But we get another Diglett. More energy. Another Sandshrew. Trainer. Another trainer card. Energy for ground and fighting. Got like two more actually. That one's Haunter. and Nidoran. But yeah, that was the entire deck, and it was actually pretty good. Really good deck. I'm just surprised that I was. And the thing is, uh, these cards were remakes from the 80s or 90s. I'm sorry, the 90s original cards. So all them cards, those were all from the 90s. Little flashback. I was not from the 90s, but I love everything. I love the cartoons, everything. But we got a holographic Mewtwo card for those who grew up in the 90s and know what it is. Yeah, I got it right here. If you want to buy it from eBay off of me, I'll probably sell it. Nah, I'm not gonna sell it. Even though I have two. Probably give one to Green TNT back there. Brother. You doing something on his own right now? What are you doing?
Playing Classy Road. I'm buying all the ones that cost $0.00.
Wow. Oh, okay. What else we got here? We got something else. We got hit points. Yes, these are healing point. This one's right here is heal. Guess that means it's fainted, probably. Not exactly entirely sure how to use these right here, but I'll probably learn a set of instructions on how to play the game. Do not know how to use these. I just know. I don't even know. I hadn't played on a board. I just used my hands. I never played on a board. Go ahead and look through this. Yeah, that was actually a great evolution pack. Really cool. Really like that. Classic cards was all that was in here. Even has a little picture of a Charizard. And I'll be able to see it. It's right there. A Poke card. There's special rules in this game for Pokemon Break cards. We'll probably. I'm not necessarily going to go through all the time to read through the rules. And it has a little Pokemon checklist. You can check up all the Pokemon that you get in the packs. So it's pretty cool. Really good. And this is the playmat that you would use to play the game, which is awfully huge. Took me a while to unfold it. But here you go. Burn, that's what that one means. But we have a whole bunch more cookie cards. We'll probably play around or so later in the next episode. This is kind of just an opening to just show you guys what you could expect in a pack of these. The Evolution Pack, which is a really great pack. I love that they brought back the 90s characters, the 90s cards from Generation 1. I really love that generation. That's the generation that got me started. I actually started on Pokemon Red, and I got addicted. It was like crack. Then Pokemon Go came out, Pokemon Duel. You saw a video of me do that. But yeah, it's pretty decent. Little Chansey coin over here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If you want to see more videos like this, comment in this script below. Leave a like. Every like counts. If you did like this video, well, like I said, leave a like in the comments section below. What you doing, boss? Boss is my cat. But yeah. So I guess I'll see y'all guys next time. Peace.